Hey, what's up guys? Giancarlo here from... No, I can't start my first vlog like that. Yo, my name's... Nah, that ain't it either. Whatever, you guys get the point. I'm just really excited because today I'm filming my first official vlog. I don't really know how to do this, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how I typically break my fast. Let's go. That's right. An apple. But all seriousness, I do break my fast usually with a small fruit. It all depends on if my food's already made, if I have it meal prepped, or if I'm about to make it just like what we're about to do right now. So being that it's gonna take a little bit of time to just cook all this up, well, there's not much cooking, but you'll see. I just have a little snack, which is how I break my fast typically, like I said. Whatever, let's get into the neat part. Let's go. Alright, so I fast for about 16 to 18 hours daily, and being that I break my fast, and it's currently 1 o'clock by the way, so I typically like to break my fast more so with protein and fats, right? And I like to have big meals, so what you're about to see is probably a bigger meal than what you're used to eating. And if you follow me on my Instagram at GC3 Fitness, right? You're gonna see that fatty salad that I always have, so you're gonna see it in the making right now, okay? But the reason why I like to break my fast with protein and fats in my first meal, okay, is because typically around 12, 1 o'clock, right, when our body temperature starts to cool down and some of us have our lunch, that's when we have that crash, right? That's when we get tired and sleepy, right? And sometimes it's because we have a lot of carbohydrates and our insulin goes up. So to avoid that, all right, because this is where I like to, I'm continuing working, I'm studying, I'm reading, and I want to stay at peak performance, I avoid that by not consuming any carbs. And if I do have carbohydrates, they're more veggies, okay? They're not like your sweet potato or your brown rice, which again, there's nothing wrong with that, but I like to save that more for the afternoon or more for when I'm getting ready to go to bed. That way, I can crash and get a good night's sleep. All right, guys, so let's get to it. So if you're wondering what's in this famous so-called fatty salad, we start off with our protein, right? Whichever choice of yours. Mine is gonna be chicken. I like to have almonds or walnuts, right? Good quality source of protein and fats. Feta cheese, I love feta cheese, or even cranberry goat cheese, one of my favorites. A little fruit in there, right? What are those, mandarins, cuties, halos, something like that. We got lime, lemon lime, they're limes. Eggs, which I'm about to boil, some tomatoes. Have your big bowl, because I like to eat big meals all at once. Olive oil, right? Stay away from any other type of oil unless it's coconut oil or avocado oil. You got your spring mix, and then what we're gonna season our chicken with. Let's get to it. All right, boiled eggs are gonna sit there for about 15-20 minutes. Now let's get to cutting the chicken. Here we go. No, this ain't it. This definitely ain't it. I'd say it's the best we got in this house. All right, I'm gonna do my best here. So let's cut these babies in half. That way it looks like we have a lot more food and it's easier. By the way, I'm not even no chef, so if you're watching this video and you're laughing at me, kind of learned how to cook like not too long ago. Don't talk about holding a knife like that. All right, here we go. All right, now that we've officially prepped the chicken and it's ready to go, let's go put it on the pan. But first, let's put on some olive oil. Put about a nice little teaspoon for it. Yeah, again. Spread it around. prep my chicken nice and slow. I'm gonna try to fit as many as we can in here. Let's see. Think we can fit one more? I don't think so. But we're gonna try. We'll try and squeeze one in there. While the eggs are boiling, should be another 10 minutes for those eggs, and it's probably gonna take a little bit of 30 to 35 minutes for the chicken. But here we go. All right, but in the meantime that the chicken and the eggs are finishing up, let's get into the salad making because we can do that right now. So you got your bowl. Again, I like to have big meals. I typically eat around 2 to 3 times within my fasting window. So I like to have big meals. So I'm gonna have a big bowl. Big bowl. Got your spring mix, right? Typically I'd have some spinach as well, but we just got spring mix for today. All right, so let's dump a little bit of that. A little bit, let's dump a lot of it. Just dump it. Only if you can see this bowl. I missed like half of it, but I'll show you that right now. Actually, that's just a little bit of spring mix. Again, back with the walnuts, okay? The cheese, tomato, and hey, those cuties, managers, whatever you want to call them. Always gotta eat some before I actually put it in there. It's like a thing. You gotta put it in, no problem. By the way, if you're watching this video, let me know, almonds or walnuts? What do you prefer? I really like almonds better than walnuts. That's all I got right now. Aren't these cute? Got like no seeds in them. Ain't gotta worry about none of that when you're eating them. Maybe that's why they're called cuties. Maybe halos or mandarins. Whatever, I really don't know. Again, if you know the difference, hit me up in the comments and let me know, yo G, you're tripping. These things are called XYZ. Let's get back to it. All right, here we go. Chicken's almost up. Check it out. Oh, yep, it's definitely almost done. Definitely ready to go. Yep. Yeah, vlogging and cooking at the same. All right, it's ready to go. Let's go. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, let's cook the chicken. Let's crack the eggs. Let's put them in the salad. Let's mix it up. And let's have it. Let me just say that usually never happens. I usually end up cracking it, and probably half the egg comes with me in the shell. It just, I don't know, it just sticks to it, and I still haven't found the actual way to do this properly. Sometimes it comes out good, sometimes it doesn't, but typically the shell always wins, and I never get enough egg. So I have heard a whole bunch of things with, you know, put some ice, make it cold so I don't even know. But, well, I guess I'm 2 for 2 right now, so 2 for 2. Boom. Time to put these babies in. If you guys know any other way to make these things happen, let me know. Because like I said, this is probably a blessing because it's my first vlog. Almost there. Last but not least. Actually, black pepper. Dump that back. Now, last but not least, the olive oil. Now you're probably asking, gee, that's a lot of fat. Now yes, this is a lot of fat, but it's a lot of good quality fat, right? Fats are good. Now, the reason why I break it down like this is because, again, I told you why I have my protein and fat as my first meal, but as my last meal, you won't see any fat and it'll just be more of protein and carbohydrates because you should have protein in every meal. And being that I'm probably gonna eat twice today because it's already about 1:45, 2 o'clock, I am gonna have a lot of protein. So you did see a good amount of chicken in here, a good amount of addition from the eggs and the walnuts, all right? Now I'm gonna put about probably 2 to 3, maybe even 3.5 tablespoons of olive oil, right? I won't really know, but we're just gonna eyeball it. Doing it this way, all right, for me, I just got probably all, if not almost all the fats that I need for my calorie intake. That's why I will ignore it towards my dinner and just have protein and carbohydrates. All right, so, and to ensure that I have more food, I'll just have my complex carb, I'll have my sweet potato, but then I'll have those veggies, right? I usually don't have a salad at night. I'll just have more veggies, broccolis, asparagus, things of that nature, all right, guys? So, being that I only eat twice, I eat two big meals. This is usually my first one. Then I usually have a little dessert to this, which I'll show you right now. Would it go like that? Nah, maybe you'll be like, no, maybe not. Maybe like a bam. But yeah, it's a perfect bar. You get it. Favorite protein bar. I don't know why it's my favorite. It just tastes really good. It has a lot of decent ingredients, but better than a lot of the other choices. So this is usually my dessert, and I usually try not to snack in between my meals. This is why I have it with my meal. And again, big meals, nice and full. This way I feel great and can continue to crush my day, all right, guys? So let's get to it. Definitely, if you guys like these vlogs, definitely let me know. I'm sweating because it's hot in here, or it's because I'm nervous. I don't really know. One of those. But here we go, guys. So you guys are just gonna stare at me and eat. I'll catch you guys soon, guys. Hopefully, guys, if you like the video, make sure to hit me with a like. Make sure to subscribe. You get it. Make sure to do all the fun stuff, right? Make sure to leave me a comment below. Here you go. Let's go.